Well, today I'm going to be changing out the idler pulley. A lot of times there's a pulley on these, but this is just a bearing, so I'm going to call it an idler bearing now. And the belt, of course. I noticed the belt had some cracks in it, and I noticed the idler pulley was making a little noise when I placed the power steering pump, and decided to come back on it and check the tensioner pulley at the same time, and found I needed both of them, so I'm going to go ahead and replace both of those. But I'm going to release the belt tension with a breaker bar, or actually I got a longer bar that I use. It's designed for this purpose. And I'm going to check and replace the belt. I've already checked the belt. I know it needs replacing. It has cracks in it. And I'm going to replace the idler pulley. Of course, I showed it right there. But you can see the belt. I'll come over here. You can see a crack in the belt right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tension off the belt and take the belt loose. Some of your tensioners do not have this little gap in there for your wrench, and you may be able to take your ratchet and your socket and go over the bolt and go like that and pull it up. Idler bearing pulley. Okay, we know that one's bad. Also check that one's noisy as well. I'll be using a 15mm socket on this. That's on at 20 foot-pounds. Very easy to do. I wish everything was this easy. "20 foot-pounds. Okay, time to take care of this tensioner pulley. I put a little lubricant on the inside of this. Hopefully it'll get down to the bolt. Maybe help loosen it up some. And I got my long bar on it with a 18mm socket. And go clockwise to take this off. You can pull up to attach the belt, but these are reverse threads, and to take the bolt loose you have to actually go clockwise, which is, this one seems to be a little tight. There it goes, it finally broke loose. Okay. My replacement is plastic instead of metal. Same size, same diameter, same everything. Remember, to tighten it, you go backwards, counterclockwise. This bolt is just bass-ackwards to most everything, but that keeps the pulley on. "20 foot-pounds of torque." Get the old belt off of here. I've seen worse, but this belt was definitely getting old. Pretty much constantly through it, little cracks and pits. Okay, belt is on there, and this tool here really comes in handy. You got a lot of leverage. They're not very expensive. Well, at least they weren't. I don't know what they are now. Go back and check your belt. Make sure it's not twisted. Make sure it's in all the grooves. You can see I've got this one here. It's out a little ways. I need to loosen it up and push that belt in there. It's not positioned perfectly before you start the engine. Okay, now everything looks much better. So, this is a fairly easy repair. If you have the right tools, it makes it even easier. Until the next video, hope all your repairs go well. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Cars, Trucks, and Detours, aka Steve AZ 711. Bye for now.